Hello dear students, welcome to this video lecture. I am Mrs. Priyanka Batra from Physics Department of Army Public School, Delhi, Kent. This video is on the topic Defects of Vision from the chapter Human Eye and Colorful World of Class 10th Science. Human eye helps us to look at the world around us. In case of normal human eye, an inverted image of object is formed on the retina of the eye. This retina acts like a screen or the film of a camera. For a normal human eye, the near point is 25 centimeter. That is, a person can read carefully or see clearly of an object which is placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from the eye. Far point of human eye is infinity. We have the ability to see the objects which are at infinite distance from us. But many of us need spectacles to help us read or look around. So, when normal functioning of eye is affected, it results in defect of vision. Now, let us study about the defects of vision. We have basically three defects of vision: myopia, which is also known as short-sightedness; hypermetropia, also known as long-sightedness; and presbyopia, which is also known as old age problem. Let us discuss these defects one by one. First, let us discuss about myopia. Now, in myopia, or the other name of myopia is nearsightedness. As the name suggests, near sight. So, a person suffering from myopia can see the nearby objects but cannot see the far off objects clearly. In this case, the image of an object is formed in front of retina. The far point for such person is less than infinity. Now, the causes of myopia. The causes of myopia is, first, increase in focal length of eyeball, because the distance of retina from the eye lens has increased. Second, decrease in focal length of eye lens. This is as if the ciliary muscles of eye do not relax fully and has some tension. This defect can be rectified or corrected by using a concave lens of suitable focal length. Now, after this, we will discuss about the second defect, hypermetropia or far-sightedness. As the name suggests, far sight. So, a person suffering from hypermetropia can see the far off objects but cannot see the nearby objects clearly. In this case, the image is focused behind the retina. The near point of a person is more than 25 centimeter. That is, a person is not able to read the book even if it is placed at 25 centimeter. For him, the near point is more than 25 centimeter. Causes of this defect. The cause of this defect can be decrease in focal length of eyeball, as the distance of retina from the eye lens has decreased. Second, increase in focal length of the eye lens when eye is fully relaxed. The hypermetropic eye can be corrected by using a convex lens of suitable focal length. Now, coming to the third defect, that is presbyopia or the old age sight. It is also called old age problem, as most of the muscle weakens with age, so does the ciliary muscles. Generally, for most of the people, the near point of the eye gradually increases. That is, a person is able to see clearly only when the object is placed at a distance more than 25 centimeter. But sometimes in old age, a person suffers both from myopia and hypermetropia as well. In this case, a bifocal lens is required for correction of this defect. The upper part of this bifocal lens is a concave lens and lower part is a convex lens. Students, I hope you will be benefited by this lecture.